now return to the Pink Panther and Sons.
Goodbye and good riddance.
Dad told me about this fishing spot, Panky. In fact, he was lucky to get away. Oh boy, I got a strike! Yow! It's just an old piece of worthless junk. Chuck it. Oops, sorry guys. Good thing you're so hard-headed.
Here, you can have your old piece of junk back.
Hey, there's some writing on this thing. Contents, 1 Genie, no preservatives added. Rub well for best results.
Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, take it easy. This lamp isn't padded inside, you know. Hey, how did you see that?
See what?
Some guy with a towel on his head just popped out of that old piece of junk. Let's find out what's going on, shall we?
Where'd you come from, sir?
Genie's my name. Granting wishes is my game.
A wish? You mean you'll grant any wish we want?
You got it, kid. So what's your wish?
Gee, I don't know. Can I think about it a minute?
Oh, sure. But I'm a busy man. Lots of places to go, people to meet, you know. Ooh, that's my phone. Look, think about it, guys, and I'll catch you later.
This is fantastic, Panky. Let's get back to the clubhouse. Oh, boy. Wait till the gang sees this.
Ugh, disgusting.
But did you see that, Finko? We had that lamp, but we threw it back.
Don't worry about it, Hal. They may have the lamp now, but they won't have it for long.
I've never heard of weenies, beanies, or genies. Me neither. There's no such thing as magic lamps, right, Chatta? Let us refer to the ultimate empirical authoritative reference source, the encyclopedia. Ah, here is our Mr. Ingenious Genie.
You're right, Chatta. That's the same genie that's in the lamp. Okay, now for a personal demonstration. We just rubbed the lamp and... Hey, where's the lamp? I think we all know who's got the lamp. It starts with Fink and ends with O.
Finko!
Who else?
I know that genie guy came out of this lamp somehow.
Can't see a thing, Finko.
Here's how to get him. Rub well for best results. Yeah! All right, clam up while I... Ooh, this place is so dirty, a dog could bury a bone in the rug. So what's it gonna be, kid? What's your wish? Come on, I'm in a hurry.
Come on, Fink.
Hurry up!
Come on, let's go.
Hey, back off! I wish you guys would get lost. There, that's better. No, that's your wish. Hey, where'd everybody go? Huh? Where are you guys? Hey, look what you made me do. Now I've got to get the genie to bring those clowns back. Hey, where's the lamp? I should have known. That Finky Pinky stole it back. Now I've got to find Hal and these lost losers personally.
I don't know how we got here, but we're definitely lost.
Okay, Panky, nobody's around, so now's a good time to have a little quiet confab with the genie.
Okay, guys, made up your mind yet? Give me your fondest wish.
Boy, I wish all the other kids could see this. Gee, you really gotta be mighty careful what you say around these genies.
Which way, Hal? Yeah, now what? Right, left, up, or down? Cool it, guys. I'm concentrating. We go that way. We're still lost. We ain't ever gonna get back home. Finko, thanks for finding us. What was that for?
That's for making me lose the lamp.
I never thought I'd be so glad to see this dump again.
You can rest after we get that magic lamp back from those Panthers.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, nice pad, Sonny. Now, what's your wish?
Why don't we wish for a new punching bag that doesn't punch back?
No, Rocco. What we really need is a new disk drive for the computer. No, Annie. A new hammock. A hammock, maybe.
What's going on here? The nerve of that guy. Well, we'd better make up our minds about this wish. What's it gonna be? Hold it! We're getting nowhere fast. Hey, I read a story once where everything this king guy touched turned to gold. The golden touch. Why not wish for that? We can buy anything with gold.
Great idea! Let's wish for the golden touch.
Well, here we are again. Once you make up your mind, you're just full of indecision. Now, do you have a wish or what?
Yes, sir, Mr. Genie. I wish I had the golden touch.
Oh, the golden touch, huh? Are you sure you want that?
Definitely!
Okay, you asked for it.
Well, might as well try it out.
Hey, we're rich! We can get a new clubhouse!
Okay, guys, this is it. 0 hour. We'll use our flying witch maneuver. Those Panthers won't know what hit them. How exciting.
This lamp's too valuable to leave around here. I'm gonna bring it to Dad for safekeeping. Panky! Panky!
Gosh! Panky touched you and he turned into gold!
Panky? Panky? Are you okay? We gotta get him back fast. I'll just get the genie to give us another wish. That'll get things back to normal. Don't worry, little fella. We'll get that lamp back, and you'll be as good as gold again. I mean, you won't be gold anymore.
Gotcha!
Taxi! Hey, taxi!
Wow, what a trip.
Hey, this golden touch is getting to be a real problem.
Here, Pinky, better use these.
Hey!
I finally made the golden glove.
They're getting away! Now we'll never get Panky back to normal!
Never say never. Look out, gang! The truck's losing its load!
I got it!
Come on, gang! We gotta get back to the clubhouse before a burglar steals Panky.
Hey, you kids are giving me some workout. What now?
We want to cancel that last wish. We don't want the golden touch.
Hey, I tried to warn you. Canceling a wish, that's quite irregular, you know. But maybe, on one condition.
Oh, you name it.
I need a vacation, so no rubbing the lamp for a while, okay? For at least 1,000 years or so, okay?
Okay!
Your wish for the golden touch is hereby cancelled.
Hi, everybody!
Well, Panky, having a magic lamp sure isn't what it's cracked up to be. Well, Panky, that's that.
Yeah, that's that!
Now we got that long walk home. I sure wish we had a ride. You know what, Panky? Maybe you don't really need a genie to make a wish come true.